Hello students of class 8. Today I will be starting a new chapter of algebra, that is simplification of fractions, exercise 17 and 18. Okay, now what is a fraction? All of you know a fraction, general form of a fraction is a by b. A by b, where the this is called numerator and this is called denominator, where the denominator not equals to 0 always. Clear? If it will be 0, then the whole fraction will be undefined. And in your in this chapter is that reduce it in lowest form. That means what? When there will be no common factor between the numerator and the denominator, then it is called that the fraction is it in lowest form. Okay. Now how to do if it is simple, only single term is there, then only by cancellation it will come, no problem. But if there are more than 2 or 3 terms and expression, algebraic expressions are given in both numerator and denominator, then what to do? We'll reduce, first we'll resolve into factors, then what is the common factor in numerator and denominator, that part will be cancelled out, then you will get the lowest form of the fraction. Okay. Now exercise 17, objective type true false. In the fraction p by q, numerator is q, it is false. Numerator is the upper one, p by q. Numerator will be p and denominator will be q. So q is the numerator, it is false. A fraction remains unchanged if both its numerator and denominator are multiplied by the same number. Yes, remains unchanged. Suppose there is a fraction 2 by 3. Now both numerator and denominator I am multiplying by same number 3. Okay, then it is becoming 6 by 9. And the value of 6 by 9 and your original fraction was 2 by 3. Both of them are same. Why? Now if I cancel by 3, it is coming 2 by 3. So if any fraction is multiplied by same number, both numerator and denominator of any fraction is multiplied by same number, then its value remains unchanged. Okay. The fraction 3a by 2b is in its lowest form. Yes, it is true. 3a by 2b. You see, there is no common factor, so that I cancel. 3, 2, no, not possible. A and b are two different variables, so it is also not possible. So 3a by 2b is in its lowest form, it is true. Clear? And reciprocal. The reciprocal of x by y is y by x. Yes, it is true. Just it will be inverted. X by y it is given, it will be y by x. So what is the reciprocal of 2 by 3? 3 by 2. Okay. The denominator of the fraction m by n is n. Yes, it is true. Denominator is n. The lowest form of the fraction 15ab by 5b. 15ab by 5b. Okay, cancel. 5 3s are bb. It is 3a. What it is given here? The lowest form of the fraction 15ab by 5b is a. So it is wrong. It is coming 3a. Clear? It is wrong. The value of a fraction changes if the numerator and the denominator are divided by same number. No. If we will multiply, then also value will remain same. And if we will divide, then also value will remain same. Clear? So in this way, true false, you can do yourself now. Rest of the sums. Now subjective type. From exercise 17 I am doing. Easy chapter. Few sums I will do and rest you can do yourself. Sum number I am doing from 4. Starting from 4, 1, 2, 3, very easy. 17 a cube b square c to the power 4 by 51 a square b to the power 4 c to the power 6. This is your fraction. You have to reduce it in its lowest form. Now 17 and 51. If you know the multiplication table of 17, you know that it will come 73 is a 51. Now this is division, simply division. So you know, in case of division, powers are subtracted. So there is a square, there is a cube. So if I cancel, it will go a. Now here 4, there is 2. So in denominator, 4 minus 2, it will come 2. 6 minus 4, so it will be c square. So what is coming? In numerator there is a, and in denominator there is 3 b square c square. Now you see, in numerator and denominator no factor now is common. Clear? So it is in its lowest form. We have expressed this fraction in its lowest form. Then another one I am doing. Which one I do? This one, 13. This you can practice in your home. Two sums I am showing you how to do. 13, 51, p to the power 4, q to the power 5, r square by 68, p to the power 5, q to the power 4, r to the power 5. Now 51 and 68. I think its HCF is 17. So 17 3 is a 51 and 17 4 is a 17 4 is a 68. Yes. You can cancel both by 17. 17 3 is a and 17 4 is a. Now p to the power 4, p to the power 5. So power is 5 here. So 5 minus 4, it is coming 1. So you will not write 1. Now 5 minus 4, so q will go there. 5 minus 2, 3. Clear? In this way we will cancel. So in numerator it is coming 3. We are getting in numerator 3q only. And in denominator 4p r cube. 4p r cube. Now no factor is common here. Okay. So it is expressed in its lowest form. Now next sum you will get in next video.